Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halloween unicorn princess look. I have no idea what I'm doing in this video, so I'm going to do a voiceover. So if you want to see me transform myself, then keep on watching. So first I'm going in with the Urban Decay Optical Blurring Primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face to prime my makeup before we start. Okay, so this is something that I have never done before. I see this all over YouTube all the time, but I am taking an Elmer's glue stick and we are going to hide my eyebrows. So I'm taking that glue stick and I am just kind of plastering my eyebrows down. So I realized using the glue stick straight on my brow was kind of aggressive. So I took the back of my finger and I scooped out some of the glue and then I'm just rubbing that into my brow to hold that down. Next, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm using a dry beauty blender, and I'm just setting that glue into my brow. And then with a flat brush, I'm going to wipe off the extra powder, and then we're pretty much just going to continue the steps. So right here, I'm going back in with the back of my fingernail, and I'm scooping out the glue and smearing that over my eyebrow. I did watch another YouTuber do the similar steps. She covered her eyebrows during a unicorn look, and I like that look. I don't really think horses or unicorns even have eyebrows, so I'd rather hide mine. I think it gives like a cool Halloween effect. I'm going back in for a second time with the setting powder, setting that glue down, and I'm going to keep repeating these steps until I feel like my brows are completely sealed down. Now I am taking the Revlon Color Stay Foundation, and with a beauty blender I am going to apply this all over my face, and I am going to go all over my eyebrows with that also. So right here is when I start going over my eyebrows. And like I said, I have never done this like cover your eyebrow thing before. So right here, I'm realizing that this is so scary. I look terrifying. I definitely need eyebrows on my face, but that's okay. It's for Halloween. Halloween's fun. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm just gonna lock that brow in place. And same thing with the whole glue situation. I'm kind of repeating the steps over and over again until I feel like those brows are no longer existing at all. Like, I don't even want to see any brow hairs at all. But again, this is my first time doing this, so I'm not that great at it. Maybe next time I'll be better. All right, brows are somewhat hidden. I thought they were at the time. You can kind of see them, but let's get the show on the road. So I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Vol Boss 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 Bling palette, and I'm taking a transition color, which is the Hush Hush color, and I'm somewhat trying to go over those brows, but I'm actually just like humiliating myself. Honestly, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. So I'm just kind of creating a transition color for the shadow. Okay, so now pretty much I realized that Hush Hush didn't do anything. So I'm taking a darker purple from the palette and I'm using this as a transition color, but it looks terrible. But later on I fix it, so it's fine. It'll be fine for now. So I'm just using this darker purple color and I'm using this as a transition color. Now right here I'm taking the Urban Decay Electric palette and I'm using this hot pink color and I'm going to go in with this and I'm going to start creating a crease color with this hot pink palette. I don't normally use this palette, but it's a really good one for Halloween when you need really bright colors. Next from the palette, I'm taking this dark purple blue color, and I'm going to put this right in my crease to somewhat create a cut crease effect. Horses do have like larger eyes, so I want to give my eye a larger effect. Now I'm going in with eyeliner. This is a felt tip liner from the salon that I work at, and I am creating like a I cannot talk. And I am creating a wing, so I am going to drag it out past my eye, and then for the inner part of my eye, I do want to drag it in close to my nose because I really want that like big almond shape with the eye. And right here is when I realized that my eyes look terrible. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back in with my foundation and I'm going to cover over my brow one more time. And this is going to give that purple shadow more of like a harder effect, which I like. So here I'm just kind of like blending my brows in one more time. Like I said, I've never done this like hiding your eyebrows thing, so it can be kind of tricky. Next time I do it, it'll be way better. All right, now that my brows are blended a little bit better, I am taking this black MAC eyeshadow and with a small shadow brush, oh my god, I seriously cannot talk. With a small shadow brush, I'm going in under that purple shade and I'm creating a stronger cut crease just because I really want my eyes to like look bolder. And, to make any look stand out, especially in photographs, I like to add lashes. And I feel like unicorns and horses do have longer lashes. So right here, I am throwing the Ardell Wispy Lashes on. Now I'm going in with a brighter concealer. And this is where the whole princess part comes in. And I am just going to go in and highlight all the areas that I think need to be brightened a little bit more. So I'm using the Urban Decay Weightless Concealer. For this unicorn look, it's definitely necessary to contour your nose. So I am going in with that hot pink shade from the Urban Decay palette that I used on my eyes. I'm just going to go down and contour my nose and make it look a little bit slimmer. I am going to use that same shade like on the tip of my nose and just kind of make that look a little bit shorter. And I'm even going to go in with my setting powder and bake that for a little bit also. To contour the sides of my cheeks and around my forehead, I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I believe this is the shade in Deep 70, I think. So I'm just going to go in, contour my cheeks, make them look a little bit slimmer, and then on my forehead, I feel like it looks super pale, probably because I've used translucent powder on it 100 times already. So I'm just going to go in and make that look a little bit tanner and give myself a little bit more color. So right here, I felt like my nose wasn't like bold and contoured enough, so I went back in with that purple shade from the Urban Decay palette and just gave my nose a little bit more color. Now I'm adding more color, so I'm going to go in and contour again with that pink shade that I used on my eyes. The reason why I contour with like a dark color first is because I don't think that the pink would show up on my skin as well when it was paler. And then I'm going in with the same purple color and I'm just going to make that contour a little bit deeper. So honestly, I had no idea what to do with my lips. So I just went in with that same pink color and I just like dusted that all over my lips to give it like a smudgy look over my cupid's bow, and then on the outer corners I used the same purple color and just deepened the corners of my lips a little bit. I almost forgot this part, but we're adding mascara. And what kind of unicorn princess would I be if I did not have any glitter on me? So what I like to do is I take the clear Ardell lash glue and I just put it on the back of my hand, and then with my ring finger I just take that and then dab it onto my skin like where I want the glitter to be placed. And then right now I'm taking an eye candy glitter, and I think it's like a purple shade or like a pinkish shade. I don't really know. But I'm taking the eye candy glitter and then I'm just placing that right where my highlight would normally be. So I'm going to place it like right on the top of my cheeks, and then I'm even going to place like a little bit like above my eyebrow in that contour near my hairline. Next up, I'm adding some jewels under my eye. I did get the jewels from AC Moore in the like scrapbooking stickers selection. So what I like to do first is just take the Ardell Glow again, and then I just place that on my skin, like with like a paintbrush or like, I don't know, I guess makeup brush that I never use. And I just put that on my skin where I want the jewels to be placed. And then I take the jewels off the plastic wrapper, and then I just kind of place them on my eyes where I think that they will look best. And now I'm going in with the new lip gloss from Dose of Colors by Desi and Katie. And to complete the look, I am putting on my signature unicorn piece. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Happy Halloween!